In this video, we'll see how to find out the area under the curve. So f is equal to, suppose, 2x cube minus 9x squared plus 12x. Press enter so that we'll get the curve which is plotted over here. So this is the given curve, that is 2x cube minus 9x squared plus 12x. Now suppose we want to find out the area under this particular curve from 0 to 2. Then we'll use the function, that is integral. So go over here. Function is f or fx. Right arrow. We'll consider 0 as the starting point and 2 as the end point, as you can see. So we have considered this 0 as the starting point and this 2 as the end point, and f stands for the function fx. So this particular function is 2x cube minus 9x squared plus 12x. And now press enter. So you'll get the area which is shaded over here, and its units are, it is a is equal to 8 unit square. So it can be centimeter square, meter square, mm square, or inch square, etc. So this is the area under the